All right, so today we have this. This is some Charlie's Chicken. Charlie's Chicken is it's a Midwest sort of thing. So if you live out on the coast or you live like way north or way south, you're probably not ever going to see or find a Charlie's Chicken. So I feel sorry for you, but I mean, like, there are other places. Like I've never had In-N-Out before. I would never be able to have In-N-Out because it's like a coastal thing. Okay. All right, enough talking. So, I have Charlie's Chicken is famous for serving chicken chunks instead of like chicken nuggets. They have great fried chicken, but their chicken chunks are to die for. They serve amazing rolls, and they have mashed potatoes and gravy that are fantastic. The one here in my hometown, it's been a while since I last ate it, but they're an absolute fixture. I love them. So, and the way I like to eat my roll is I like to dip it into my mashed potatoes and gravy. I have some root beer today. Oh, yeah. All right, so yeah, they probably have my favorite mashed potatoes and gravy of any place I've ever been to. So, chicken chunks are amazing. They're so juicy. The breading is so fantastic. Such a great flavor. And I love to dip them as well. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, no goodness. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's always so much food. God, it's so worth it. Oh. Oh, I need a second to clear some room up. Well, I'll tell you guys this story while I do that. So, growing up, Charlie's Chicken was always around. Like, in the first house that my family and I lived in, when I was like 4 years old, it was always around. Like, there was always a couple that, like I would always, we'd always end up walking past one on my way to school every morning. But we never ate there. We might have eaten at Charlie's Chicken one time in the entire, we might have eaten at Charlie's Chicken exactly once before I was 7. Because when I was 7, we moved into our new house in our new town, which is where we still live. And so, right, one day, probably a couple years ago now, because it's actually been pretty recent, we were all wondering what we could have for dinner, and I was like, well, what if we have Charlie's Chicken? Like, we haven't had that in forever, and I've been thinking about how, I've been thinking about it, like how good it is, and the fact that we never eat there. So we ate there one night. It was amazing. Just frankly, it was just amazing. God, having that Charlie, it was so it was so decadent. Like, their chicken chunks are so good. Their mashed potatoes are amazing, downright amazing. Their drinks are good. Their biscuits, or not their biscuits, their rolls are great. They're so fluffy and buttery, and it's just wonderful. Um, and so from that day forward, that day I suggested it, we actually eat Charlie's Chicken. We were actually eating Charlie's Chicken semi-regularly after my suggestion. And from that day forward, I've just had this insane love of Charlie's Chicken. It's so good. So. The way I recommend you eat the mashed potatoes and gravy is that they give you the scoop of potatoes, and then they put a big thing of gravy right on top. What I recommend you do is that you mix the potatoes and the gravy together to ensure that you get the perfect ratio of potatoes and gravy in every bite, because you can run out of gravy way before you run out of potatoes. And if you eat the potatoes without the gravy, they just kind of start to taste very bland. So I recommend mixing them together really good and nice. Makes them way better. So, yep, it's amazing. Fuck yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck yeah. And I didn't do it this time because sometimes I forget. Whenever you get a chunk dinner, so this was a 7-chunk dinner, so it comes with the 7 chunks and 2 sides in a roll. What I recommend you do, I recommend you also get a side cup of just gravy and use that to dip your chicken into, because the chicken pairs with the gravy way better than it pairs with the potatoes, and it's divine. Absolutely divine. Divine. Right, this video was not suggested by anyone. This was just something that I realized I hadn't had in a really long time, and so I decided to eat it. I love it. You know, I know you all love it, so when it happened, it's good. If you live in the Midwest, I really recommend you try to find this and eat it. If you've never had it before, you'll thank me. And so, once again, if you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Whenever you all do that for me, helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Oh gosh. Once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye!